Hello, hi everybody. So today, now I'm going to show you how to create CRUD operations in Python using Django. For that, so we'll be going step by step. Okay. So we'll be going step by step. So first step is how to install Python, PyCharm and DB SQLite. So that means what are the softwares required in this particular thing we are going to discuss. Before that, what is website? So I'm going to show you some examples. So these are the softwares required. Okay. So these are the software required to create a Django project in Python. So that is CRUD operations, C.R.U.D. C.R.U.D stands for create, read, update and delete operations. Okay. So first one is Python 3.7.4 we need to install. Okay. This is the path. Okay. So this is the one path. I'm going to show you how to install this and PyCharm also and also DB SQLite database. You can use both databases DB SQLite or MySQL. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to install this Python 3.7.4, PyCharm and DB SQLite. Okay. And also what is website? Website contains three things. Okay. So these are the three things contains in the website. So what is that? Three parts. We can say three parts: front end, business logic and back end. Okay. Front end means it contains all the HTML files, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, images, audios, videos, and we can use extra things like JSON, Ajax, okay, React. Okay, so many things we can use. Okay, depending upon our need, we can able to use. So front end will be opened only in the web browser. And business logic is nothing but the source code of that particular website or project. Okay, entire project. And backend is considered as database connectivity. So that comes under. So mostly it will be in the tabular form. So database contains all the tables inside. Okay, na? So this is how it will be. So website contains three different parts. We are going to see one by one. And before we start that, so we need to install the Python. So what are the softwares required? So these are the software required for our particular project to start. Okay. So Python 3.7.4, I'm going to install that and show you how to do that in PyCharm also and DB SQLite. So before I do that, I'm going to check whether it is present in my laptop or not. Okay. So from the command prompt, I'm going to check it in whether it is having in my laptop or not. So if I am having in my laptop, so I'll be uninstalling that and I'll be installing that. Okay. So how to install? So go to the Python dot. It is not having in my laptop. Python 3.7.3, 7.4 is not having in my laptop. So I'm going to python.org. From there, I need to install. So you need to open this website. Okay. So you need to open this website, go and you can able to see the latest software 3.11.0. So you need to click on all releases to go into that particular version. So 3.7, 3.7.4, isn't it? I'm going to install that 3.7.4. Yeah, this is the 3.7.4. Go to that, click on that, and you need to install this. You need to install the Windows x86 web-based installer. So it will be, I'm going to download from this website. You can able to see that. So I'm going to install that. Double click on this icon. So you can able to get like this 32-bit, okay, Python 3.7.4. And you need to click on this add path Python 3.7 to path and click on install now. So it will be installed. Python 3.7.4 is ready. We are going to start with the Python. So this is how we will be installing Python in our laptop. So first part is going to finish. Okay. So this is where the link 3.7.4 you can get the link through this. Okay, and you need to install the Windows x86 web-based installer, so which is at the last. So just now I showed you. So at the last, it resides in the last, at the last. Okay, in this page. So this is the page. So I'm going to give this description. So I'm going to give this information in my description too. So where to download Python 3.7. I'm going to give this link, the description also. Python 3.7.4. So where you will be getting this link, I'm going to provide this. Okay, I'm going to share that. I'll be putting this in your description. Directly you can download from here. Okay. Select. Okay. So you need to download this. I'm going to give this in the description. For that, I'm copying this. Yeah. Now we can see Python 3.7 is successfully installed in my laptop. So this is how it will be. We can check here. I'm going to show you where it will be. So it will be shown like this. So it will be shown like this. So multiple interpreters also you can have in laptop. 3.7 you can able to see. Four things you can able to see. Ideally Python, Python manuals, module, document. Okay. So these are the four things it will be available. So first one is finished. So that is the Python, how to install Python. We have finished that. Second one. Okay. So second, I want to just show you with the SQLite 3 database. Okay. So from the control panel, I'm going to uninstall that. It is already existing in my laptop. I'm going to uninstall the third one, SQLite 3. Okay. So this is the database we need to use in our for connecting the backend. Okay. So SQLite 3 I'm going to uninstall because I'm having it already in my laptop. So I'm showing you how to install that SQLite 3. And also next I'm going to show you the PyCharm also. Okay. So third one, SQLite 3 database I'm going to show you. So this is the place where you will be getting that software. So I'm going to open that. Open. So from the Google you can search like this. From the Google, go to the Google. There you can able to search. From Google, search SQLite 3 browser. This is the keyword you need to select. SQLite 3 browser download. Click on that. So website will be coming like this. SQLite 3 browser. I'm zooming in. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to click on this. Downloads. Yeah. Okay. So you can able to see here. So click on this. Downloads. Okay. You can able to see the thing like this. From here, you need to select the 64-bit. If your system is 32-bit, you need to select the 32-bit, otherwise 64-bit. Double click on this. Any folder, you can go to the open any folder. There you can find this PC. This PC, right click on this and go to the properties. You can able to see. So your laptop or PC contains 32-bit or 64-bit. You can able to find out here. Okay. You can able to see here. So your hardware contains 32-bit or 64-bit. It will be seen here itself. Yeah, you can able to see my 64-bit. So I need to select a 64-bit installer. So from the website, I'm going to select a 64-bit installer. So this is the standard installer for 64-bit. I need to click on that. It will be downloaded. So I'm going to download it on my laptop on desktop. Okay. So see here, I'm going to copy that. And for DB SQLite 3 database, DB SQLite 3 database download database. Here is the link. So I'm going to provide that link and you need to select 64 or 32-bit according to that. If that is 64, you need to select this link. You need to click on this 64. Okay. Otherwise, if that is 32-bit, you need to click on this. Okay, it will be installed. Okay, so you need to select whichever is appropriate for your laptop or PC. So I'm going to write here for 64-bit select this. Okay, so it will be installed in your laptop. Okay, these are the links I'm going to give you along with this video in the description. Okay, so yeah, that is successfully uninstalled from my laptop DBSQLite 3. Now I'm going to install this. See here, double click on this icon. It will come like this. Next, click on next. You need to select the accept. I accept conditions. Click on next. You need to select desktop and programs. No need of selecting SQL Sapphire. We don't use. Click on next and install. So it will ask for the permission. You need to click on S. So it will be successfully installed in your laptop or PC. So I'm using Windows 10. Okay, you can use the same thing. You can do it in Windows 11 also. But so don't use in Windows 7, Windows 8, 10 and 11. We can use Python, PyCharm and DBSQLite 3. Three things are required. So these are the three softwares required for your database, for your project creation. So DBSQLite 3 I'm putting on my desktop. Okay, I'm putting on my taskbar. So I'm removing from here. Okay, on my taskbar, I'm having my DBSQLite 3. You can see here. Okay, so that is second. Third one is completed. I will show you here. So third one, DBSQLite 3 is we successfully installed in our laptop. Python and DBSQLite 3 both are installed in my laptop. Now I am showing how to install PyCharm. Okay. So how to install PyCharm? Before I install the PyCharm, I need to uninstall from my laptop, isn't it? So I'm having PyCharm in my laptop. So that is ideally where we'll be writing the coding part. Okay. I'm going to uninstall that and going to install it again. So these are the three softwares required. Okay. So you can go through here, three softwares to run the project. Okay. C.R.U.D operations project. So front end we are going to write in the PyCharm. The coding part we can write in the PyCharm. Business logic also we will be writing in the PyCharm. Backend we will be using DBSQLite 3 or MySQL. In this video, I'm going to show you both how to work on MySQL as well as DBSQLite 3. Both the things I'm going to show you. So first of all, we need to install the software's requirement softwares. Python we installed and PyCharm we are going to install right now. And DB SQLite 3 database we installed right now. Okay, isn't it? We finished that. Okay, I'm going to the website where so from the Google you can search like this. Go to Google, click on PyCharm. Click on just type PyCharm. Sorry. Here type PyCharm and enter. So you will be getting the first link itself, JetBrains company. So it is the company it prepared PyCharm ideally. So JetBrains company will be preparing all the IDLEs for different purpose. Okay, but here it is famous with the PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm, I'm going to click on this link. So then you will be getting like this. Click on download. Go to the community version. Professional version we don't use, that is paid version. After 30 days it will be charged. Okay, the $69 it will be charged for every month. So go to the community version. It is free and built on open source. Okay, and the thing is your system requirement must be satisfying this. So this is the latest software 11th October. Okay, you can able to see here, these are the system requirements. So these requirements must satisfy to download the PyCharm. Okay, I'm going to give you this as a, yeah, you can able to see here, these are the requirements you need to follow. 64-bit is must and should, and Microsoft 8, 10, and 11 will be used, not 7. It won't work on 7. 2 GB free RAM minimum, 8 GB is the recommended, and 2.5 GB hard disk is taken as a PyCharm project. I will show you what is this, and resolution, and Python works on 2.7 and Python 3.5 or newer version it will be working in the PyCharm. So if these requirements are not satisfied, it won't download. So I'm going to download this. Click on this download button. It will be, I'm going to download that on my desktop. Okay, you can able to see that it will take little time, even though we will wait until that it's going to download. So it is around 378 MB. Okay, so it is going to be downloading. Now see here, DB PyCharm is uninstalled successfully. Okay, now I am going to show you how to install. Okay, so I'm going to put here, I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm right now. Okay. So I will show you the link path where to search here. Okay. So go to Google. On the Google, you can find, just type PyCharm. PyCharm. There you can find the link. From here, you need to select the download button. You need to click on the download button. There you can able to click on download. Okay. So this link I am going to give you, and click on download community download button to install PyCharm. PyCharm. This is the link. Directly you can click on this link and select, click on button, click on button, download, where in community. Okay, so community version for pure Python development. So you need to select the community. Okay, so community button, you need to click on the button, download. Okay, these things I'm going to give you these links. Okay, so DB SQLite 3. So this is the how to download DB SQLite 3. This is for Python. Okay. Okay, in this video, I will just show you how to install these three softwares. After that, we'll going step by step. We are going to show. I'm going to show everything how to do the programming, how to create a project. Okay, how to create a project and how to add all the front end, back end, and business logic. All those things I'm going to show step by step. It's a series. Okay, I'm going to provide this CRUD operations project complete explanation with this series. Okay. So this is the first part. In this, I'm going to install. So I'm going to install PyCharm right now. See, double click. I just double clicked on the icon. Click on S. Click on next. Click on next. Okay, and you need to select all of them because we'll be using all of them. We'll be using all of them. Next, and go to install. Click on install. Will be installed. So we are ready with the softwares. Okay, we are ready with the softwares. We are having Python programming language. Python is the programming language, and we are going to use the IDLE, the place where we are writing the source code part, coding part, source code part. We will be writing in the PyCharm, and DB SQLite 3 is the database. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So DB SQLite 3. If I open DB SQLite 3 database, it will be shown like this, empty. Empty DB SQLite 3 database I'm going to open will show like this. Okay, and Python is also ready with my in my laptop. Okay, you can able to see here Python 3.7. Python 3.7 you can able to see here. Okay, and you can have multiple interpreters in your laptop. Python 3.7 is already having in my laptop. Just now we installed. 11 is already having in my laptop. You can see that multiple interpreters also you can have in your laptop. Okay. So it is successfully installed. So this is the DB SQLite 3 database, plain database. You can able to see like this. So we'll be working on this DB SQLite 3 database. I'm going to show you how to work on this. Okay. I will show you how to work on this DB SQLite 3. So we are going to be the create the CRUD operations project, isn't it? So I'm going to show you everything. So from the scratch. Okay, you can able to see CRUD operation software's requirements we completed. Python 3.7.4 just now we installed, and PyCharm also we are installing right now, and DB SQLite 3 software is also installed. And I will show you the how to do it in MySQL also. After finishing this, I'm going to show you how to install in MySQL software. So we are going to use MySQL server along with workbench. Okay, I will show you that how to do that. So it is asking for the reboot. No need of doing that. We can reboot again. So I want to manually reboot later. Finish. Okay. So this is how it is used. And PyCharm, I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to open. When I open first time, it will show like this. When I open first time, it will show like this. We need to select the interpreter in the PyCharm. So we'll be starting the project. Okay. So this is the okay. So when you first time click on that, when you restart also, it will be coming like this. So you need to select the option, do not import settings. Okay. Click on OK. Don't select configure or installation directory. Do not import settings. You need to click on this. Then only it will open. When you restart, the first option it will be coming when you open the PyCharm is do not import settings. So when you first step open this PyCharm, you will be getting the icon. You will be getting the settings. You need to do some setting work. Okay. So PyCharm I'm going to put on my taskbar. So previous one I'm going to uninstall this, uninstall, unpin on my taskbar. Now I'm going to put the new one in my taskbar. Okay. So at the first time, if you open the PyCharm, you will be getting like this. So go to the customize, click on the customize, and you need to select anything, whatever is appropriate for you. For me, I'll be working on long hours. I will be preferring this instead of Dracula. So that will be the black color. I will be preferring this IntelliJ and synchronize with the OS, and you can increase the font size also. Font size I will be putting generally 18 or 16. 16 will be the better. Will be covered like this. So 18 means it will be bigger than this screen. So 16 will be the appropriate for me as for my knowledge. Okay, I will be putting 16 and go to the projects again, click on projects and you can click on new project. Okay. So in the second second step, I'm going to show you from here. Okay. How to create a new project, Django project. Okay. And how to add all the things step by step. We are going to see all these things in this series. Okay. So our ultimate goal is to create a C.R.U.D operations. Okay. So C.R.U.D operation project. Okay. So all softwares are ready with me. Now we can start doing the Django project. Okay, we can do that. So in the next series, we are going to see the how to create a Django project. We are ready with the Python, PyCharm, and DB SQLite tree as we mentioned earlier. So Python is ready with me, PyCharm is ready, and DB SQLite tree database is ready. Database we'll be using the backend DB_3 database. PyCharm is used to write the coding part ideally, and Python is the software. We'll be writing coding in the Python. Okay. So thank you very much. Okay. So next in the next part, I'm going to show you how to how to create a Django project and insert inside the PyCharm and how to modify that, mold it into the C.R.U.D operations project. Okay. I'm going to show you step by step. So thank you very much. So see you tomorrow. See you. Take care. We'll meet you soon. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Take care.